Hello, everyone. My name is Stanley St. Rose, and today we're going to be talking about the poem Lines Written in Early Spring by William Wordsworth. Now, before I go into the summary and analysis of this work, please remember to leave a like, subscribe, and/or comment so the channel can continue to grow. All right. This poem, the speaker is in nature, and the imagery that's used here, it's really amazing. You get several images of how nature works together. Think about different type of landscapes. The poem pretty much gives you the ability to think about the rivers, lakes, greenery, because in from a general standpoint, the poem is talking about nature in its totality. It's just so wonderful and together and united and beautiful. Think about the birds and the bees and all these animals living in nature. Um, well, we can't say harmony because they eat each other, but um, nature as a whole, it's peaceful, right? It's peaceful how different species and how nature just kind of has this natural amalgamation um, towards unity in of a sense. And the poem is like, why can't mankind? Why can't we be like this? And the speaker is saying, we humans, we do the opposite of nature. We're not, because like if there were no humans on the planet and it was just a planet, I mean, there would just be lush green forests everywhere, beautiful rivers, no pollution, no plastics and microplastics and all these horrible things that we know that are contributing to the planet not being as great as it could be. But humans, we're inventing new ways, new and creative ways to kill each other, bombs, nuclear warfare, all types of, um, you know, um, unthinkable ways of killing and not living in harmony. So you do get this side to side comparison between uh, nature and human existence and how insane it can be, the differences. Because, I mean, if you take a walk in nature, um, you're going to see peace and harmony. And when you really look at um, you look at it from I would say, a macro point of view, um, all of nature is in somewhat um, harmony. Because even the animals that kill each other, that hunt each other down, they help to keep the ecosystem in check, Um, if there's no bears hunting animals, you might get an overpopulation in some group of animals. If there were no predators and everybody could just live free, I mean, it would just become an overpopulation because animals would just keep on reproducing, and then there would be too much of one animal, and that would probably destroy the natural greenery and the lush landscape of a forest or just wildlife, basically. So the fact that animals hunt each other down helps to keep the ecosystem healthy, that not one animal gets to be too dominant. So even in the from the violent point of view of animals attacking each other, nature just has a natural harmony to it. But mankind, I mean, we just been killing each other. You just turn on the news and somebody else got murked last night. So that's kind of grueling and dark, and there's a little bit of despair. There's a deeper meaning analysis. There's a little bit of despair within this poem because the speaker is like, why can't we be like nature? Why can't we find peace and harmony? Why do we always have to be at each other's throats? So the human condition is not an easy topic to talk about. I don't really think there is a conclusion to the human condition, um, because it's just really bad. It's really bad. Um, yeah, and from the Bible to every religion on earth, Christianity to every religion on earth, the central topic is the human condition, and different religions um, provide different um, remedies to the problem of why man hates man and why man does bad things. Um, so I guess this poem itself begs, it doesn't give us an answer to it. I mean, from a Christian point of view, the answer is Christ. But from this poem's point of view, it's more like a a I don't know. It's more of an a I don't know, because it's kind of just asking the question, well, why is nature so unified while mankind is so divided? That's all I had to say about this poem. Please remember to leave a like, a subscribe, and or comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.